Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can make your Spotify playlist and have people listen to it. And you can do this by making your playlist public. Now I will show you how you can do this. First of all, you need to create a playlist. So if I go to Hyperspace, a little closer, click on the three dots, add to playlist, and then click on new playlist, and then we call it public playlist, and then we do create. Now, here we have it, or playlist. And I know that a lot of people have this playlist now on private, because you are using a private account on Spotify. But right now, if I tap on the three dots just right there, you can see it just right here that we can make this one private. And if I click on make private, now no one can listen to this playlist. But if you go to the three dots and click on make public, and click on the three dots again, you can see that people can listen to this. We also can invite collaborators. And right now, if you promote this playlist, you will receive followers and people can listen to your songs. Alright, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.